Hi, welcome back to the another video tutorial from TI Lectures. In this video lecture, we will be discussing about some important foods which help to boost our immune system, right? As we know the fact that there is no any kind of medicine out there which will help to boost our immune system. Here in this video lecture, we'll talk about some important foods which boost our immune system naturally, right? We know that India is grappling with many diseases. Nowadays, we all are grappling with many diseases. First, it was COVID-19, then the black fungus, then the white fungus, and now some claiming of the yellow fungus, and much more. The common thing in all these diseases is that their correlation with our immune system, what we call as the defense mechanism of our body, right? It's not only about some these kinds of diseases like we talk about COVID-19 or black fungus. It's not only about those diseases. It's about all diseases which we have had encountered earlier or which we may encounter in future. In this video lecture, we'll be discussing about some important foods which will boost our immune system naturally. And also we'll discuss some important lifestyle that may help our immune system to get strong. Let's see some important foods. First, here I mentioned all these important foods here one by one. The first one comes here, that's the ginger tea, right? When it comes to the treating a common cold, the ginger is one of the best foods for relief. It has been seen that ginger contains an anti-inflammatory substance, right? Remember this is very important, that ginger contains an anti-inflammatory substance, a potent anti-inflammatory substance that's known as gingerol. It contains an important anti-inflammatory substance that is known as gingerol. This gingerol, this is an anti-inflammatory substance because we know that the inflammation disrupts our immune response of the body. So this gingerol, which acts as an anti-inflammatory substance, this will help to boost our immune system, right? This is very important. Now second, we'll come to the another one, that is oranges and lemon. These oranges and lemon, if we talk of them, these produce or they are packed with vitamin C, an essential nutrient if we want to build our immune system. This vitamin C, this is very important, this is very helpful in boosting our immune system. How? Because they are responsible for the production or for increasing the number of the T lymphocytes and the phagocytes in our body. Because we know if we had good number of T lymphocytes and phagocytes in our body, then our immune system is strong. So how to get those important number of the T lymphocytes and important number of phagocytes? By having good amount of vitamin C. And how you get the vitamin C? By having the orange and lemon. These are packed with vitamin C, right? The third one is turmeric. As you might have heard the name turmeric, this spice, this is more than just a delicious kick to our daily meal, right? It contains a powerful anti-inflammatory substance. Like that, if we talk about earlier the ginger tea which contains the gingerol, similarly this turmeric, it contains an important anti-inflammatory substance that's known as curcumin. This curcumin is also an anti-inflammatory substance, right? And this anti-inflammatory substance, this very important, it activates the production of T lymphocytes, which are the main cells of our immune system in fighting the disease, right? Now we'll move to another one, that is garlic. Garlic is also very important because this garlic has been used for centuries as both medicine as well as a food ingredient, right? You know, this garlic contains an important substance that's known as L-in, right? And if we chew or if we crush this garlic, this L-in gets converted into another important substance that's known as allicin, right? Garlic contains an important substance that's known as L-in, and if we chew or crush the garlic, that L-in is converted to the another important substance that's known as allicin, and this allicin has been shown that this boosts the disease fighting power or the disease fighting response of some types of white blood cells of our body, right? Now we'll move the another important one, that is tomato here, right? This tomato, this also very important because these tomatoes, they are a great great food to eat when we are sick, right, due to their high concentration of vitamin C. Got it? Just one medium tomato contains more than 16 milligrams of vitamin C, right? This is very important that just one medium tomato contains 16 milligrams of vitamin C, right? So we know this tomato, they contain high concentration of vitamin C, and by this they serve this very important purpose. That means they also help our immune system to get strong. Got it? Now we'll see another one, that is spinach. The sixth one, that is spinach. Spinach, this also very important. This is a major superfood and it's great for our overall health. Not only it contains the digestion regulating fiber, but also it contains the vitamin C. And we know what is the function, main important function of the vitamin C, that helps in boosting our immune system, in triggering our immune response of the body. Got it? Now we'll see the another one, that's eggs. Eggs are also very important because we know the eggs contain different kinds of vitamins, like vitamin A. Vitamin A is present in the eggs, right? Vitamin B12 is present in the eggs. Vitamin D is present even in the eggs, and selenium is present in the eggs. One of the main important component, the selenium is present in the eggs, and all these vitamins plus selenium, they are very much helpful in keeping our immune system strong. Got it? Now we'll see the another one, that is nuts. Nuts are also very important because these nuts, any kind of nut, they are an excellent source of zinc, and zinc is also responsible for making our immune system strong. Nuts, they are an excellent source of zinc, and this zinc has been shown that it's very important for our immune system to get strong, right? Now the ninth one we'll see, that is the mushrooms, right? Mushrooms are also very important. They also serve this good purpose. That means they are also responsible for making our immune system strong, right? How? Because they are responsible increasing the number of immunity boosting T lymphocytes, because T lymphocytes are the major cells of our immune system which help our immune system to get strong, which help our body to get to fight against any infectious disease, right? Now we'll see the 10th one, that is green tea. Got it? This green tea, this not only, as you might have heard the name, that this is mainly used for reducing the weight. It's not only recommended tea for weight loss, but also one of the best source for boosting immunity. Got my point? Because this green tea, it contains an important compound that's known as catechin. Catechin, that's important compound found in the green tea, and this catechin has been shown that it possesses antiviral and antibacterial. That means the catechin which is present in the green tea has is important for providing the antiviral and antibacterial activity, and in this way they are responsible for making our immune system strong, for boosting our immunity of the body. Right now we have looked at all these foods, the compounds they contain, the important significant compounds present in these foods, and how they boost our immune system, how they are responsible for making our immune system strong. Despite this, we know that we should also, if we talk of our lifestyle, we should also get sufficient sleep. That's very important. We should quit smoking. That's also very important. And one more thing, we should go for regular moderate exercise. These three things are very important in our lifestyle, like to get a sufficient sleep, to quit smoking, and to go for a regular moderate exercise. All these three things play a key role and a pivotal role in making our immune system strong. You got my point? So if we talk of our immune system, we know that to get a strong immune system, it's not like overnight job like baking a cake. It takes a long time. It takes a long duration to get a strong immune system. Even it may take months. It may take years to get a strong immune system. And how one gets to know that he has a strong or she has a strong immune system? The individual may fall less likely ill, and if he or she gets infection, the individual recovers fast. Thank you very much. If you want more related videos, you can subscribe my YouTube channel.